Nope, the same boat. This is our SeaArk ProCat 240. The only thing that we've done differently is we put our live bait tank, our extreme bait tank, back in.
I'll make that quick. Part of one.
Oh, it's adorable.
It's a pretty, pretty tiny one. He's the dink whisperer. Pretty sure that was you today, sir. Can't even get my finger in his mouth.
Fly Fisher says that's bait.
There we go. As far as you can see, there's still just a straight line. Aww.
They were working, yeah. That's why we don't ask them those things.
I absolutely was working. This is product development. Got a big one on.
Oh, he's got a big one.
Big one? I'm not big. Yes.
Yes. Nate's got a big one.
Get out of it. Just pull it. Oh, yes! We're going to need the net. You guys want to see something cool? You ever seen anything like that? Blah. They have no teeth. They eat plankton. You can keep one of these per day and 2 per year in the state of Oklahoma. They are very highly regulated, and they take forever to grow, but they are all over this lake, and you don't ever usually catch them like this.
And that's actually one of the smaller ones we've seen.
Yeah, we saw some at well over 6 foot on the graph yesterday. I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. Oh, he was ready to go.
Fine, Nick. She does this for a living. So, yeah, so this one's going to be a year.
It's probably a 24 hatch.
Yeah, it's been a bunch of fish. A range from that. But I bet it's way different now than what it was then. It's probably been 10 years. Biggin.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at Jamie go. That was a solid takedown. How does it feel, Jamie?
Actually big.
On that medium rod. Don't you got bullseye rig? You got another one, Jamie?
Yeah.
She got 2. Swing it. You got one, Richard? Nope. Look at that.
First little guy, he's going to go in the cooler. Good fish.
Fish will work it out. Babe, tell Justin that there's plenty of room on the boat whenever he wants to come hang out.
That rod just got slammed from Jamie. big one. It's a big one. Like me threatening my chickens if they don't start laying, I'm gonna take it for the kernel. Usually we get a whole bunch of eggs next day.
So what's cool is if you guys decide that you want to try the Slender Cat Bullseye floats and you've bought the Carolina rig,
Yeah, you're out right now.
the three-way swivel, small enough
Did you see the Thunderbird picture I sent you yesterday?
to go through, so you guys can always make your Carolina rigs into bullseye float rigs.
I did not know that. That's pretty cool.
And you add the eco pegs, the rattling pegs, I should say.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty positive it's valid. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
There you go. Here comes the second one.
Richard, how many pieces of bait do you need?
Currently, 3. A friend of ours had somebody reach out to him inquiring about working with him.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Yep. From the state of Oklahoma.
Okay.
Nate totally tied this thing on.
What is that, number 5 today?
Yes!
We've lassoed so many.
And we're doing Hooksgiving, tons of Black Friday deals on Saturday only.
Those deals are better than our deal.
Food boxes we give out at Christmas right here.
Nate?
Yep. Shaky, shaky. Alright, back again.
That's another paddlefish.
Back again.
That's a good one.
This guy's gonna come hang out at Tackle Bandit on Saturday.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
I was just showing you how to untangle them.
Talk about got and got.
Got it. Let them go to grow, folks.
Oh, wow.
I got one.
Hey, you can't say them bullseye floats don't get it done.
They do. I believe this one right here is the fattest one I've seen today. He's a little guy. There isn't any extra room in there, that's for sure. That is why we were not catching fish. This is what it's about, guys. Living the pig life.
So we had a fantastic day hanging out with you guys, catching fish in preparation for the Hooksgiving at Tackle Bandit. If you are in the Collinsville area, make sure to stop by Tackle Bandit on Saturday, November 22nd for the Hooksgiving event.
If you're not familiar with Collinsville, it's in Tulsa, Oklahoma, just north of there.
We will be there talking tackle, techniques, conservation, and answering any questions you guys have. It was fantastic hanging out with you guys today. Make sure to turn on your notifications, subscribe if you haven't, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time. So take care, God bless, and tight lines.